Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths with Ease by Mr. Kamotho. And in this video, we want to explain example 2 of number 6. And this example is going to teach us something to do with inverse proportion, as explained in the slide. And we are being told that the emergency services are planning to pump out a flooded area. The number of pumps needed, N, is in inverse proportion to the time taken in days. Let us stop there and say the number of pumps, N, is in inverse proportion as explained to the time taken in days. Anytime you hear inverse, you have to remember it's going to be 1 over something. And again, when we consider that we have to substitute the constant of proportionality with equals k, then this becomes N is equals to k over D. We have some information, like we have the number of pumps and the number of days explained or given in the question as follows. It takes numbers of days. The number of days is in terms of t, but we have taken d, which is also k. We can also just follow what the question is giving. So we have n is equals to k over t, where t is now the number of days, time in days. So it takes 6 days, so 6 days using 2 pumps. 6 days using 2 pumps. So remember, this is T and this is T, time in days. And that's how you've landed here. So with this information, we can be able now to find the constant of proportionality, because N being equals to 2 is equals to k over t, which is 6. This is natural 2 over 1, and you can easily see and find our k is 6 times 2, which is 12. That is our value of k. Now, how long will it take using 4 pumps? It's a very simple question. We have 4 pumps. We don't know the number of days or the value of t. So we need to substitute it in this equation, which is N is now equals to 12 over t. But at some point, N is 4, which is equals to 12 over t, which is not known. If we cross multiply, we are finding 4t is equals to 12. Dividing everything by 4, dividing by 4, you are finding that t is equals to 3. So to use 4 pumps, we need 3 days. That is it. Part B of the question, how many pumps are needed to do the job in 2 days? How many pumps are needed to do the job in 2 days? T, we know it's 2, N, we don't know. So again, we go back to the formula. N is equals to 12 over 2 days. And straightforward, N is equals to 6. So if we are going to use, if you're going to take 2 days, then we must use 6 pumps. And those are the solutions to that question. Let us meet in the next video. Thank you.